The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way.
Hey there, it's Vicky Marie, and I have to say that the mugs that I bought at Kohl's, they are not big enough. They're too small, but I do like them. John and I drank out of them this morning, but they're small. They're like, I told him, I don't know if this is going to work for me. I need a big mug. But I really wanted something Christmassy for the both of us to have matching mugs. That may not be the solution, but they're really pretty mugs, and they feel good in my hands, and I did enjoy my coffee. But I'm just saying, most days I'm going to stick to my Buffalo Check coffee mugs, and my lounge pants. I'm all Buffalo Check. Even on my tree, I've added some Buffalo Check there. I'm going to get some decor, get some ornaments hung there. What do you think, Roscoe? Are you ready to get some things done? Yes, you are. You are so cute. Yes, you are. You're a mama's boy, aren't ya? You're mama's boy. He is the sweetest. He is the sweetest. Oh, I know. Oh, look at that face. And these are some of my most cherished ornaments. My kids made these when they were just little babies. These are old, old, old. And I like to put these on the tree first. They're just simple, I know. And this poor thing has had better days. Whoops, my camera's slipping here. 1998. Missing an arm. I don't know what happened to that arm. I think I'm getting to the point where I think it's time to maybe retire these, because, or find something special to do with them, because they just, every year they get a little more worn. I have some more as well. These aren't all of them, but these are the most fragile.
Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend.
So here's the tree. We have our little angel Santa up there. Would you? John's next to me, and you can see these little pieces here that I got from Hobby Lobby, and the garland that I got from Hobby Lobby, and the different kinds. I have this one, and then coming, I did get some of I used the ribbon for garland as well, the Buffalo Check ribbon, and I even did strands of the thinner ribbon for I love that contrast. And then I have this garland as well, so a couple different kinds of garland. And I have these gold, just plain gold balls. I need to hang a few more up here, but they're all around the tree. And then just our family ones too, like our family old kind of ornaments that have been in the family for a while. Some of these they're very old-fashioned. I love that. That's a fox. Jamie loves foxes. I love seahorses. I used to have pet seahorses for a brief time. That didn't go so well, poor things, but I tried. And, you know, cameras, because we have photographers in the family. And you can just see everything is a little cardinal and just little meaningful ornaments. You know, I don't think there's any ornament on this tree that really was super, super expensive, but they're valuable to us. There's another fox. And that's my tree, and I'm so happy that it's up. And I have my little skirt. I don't know if I'm going to keep that one down there or not, but yeah, I might, or I might put a different one there, but I really like that. We're in the kitchen, and I'm going to make this little really easy dinner. John really likes this, huh, John? Mm-hmm. His mom used to make this all the time. It's really, really easy. I just have a little bit of lettuce chopped up. It's one of those salad kits that I buy, and then there's just a little bit left in there. So I have that. I have any kind of grated cheese and some corn tortillas and some chopped onion. Okay, and then here I have just some leftover red chili I made in the Instant Pot the other day. It's just got beans and ground beef, and you know, I've made red chili before, and I have that somewhere on my channel, but it's just leftover. I'm reheating the red chili, and you could probably do this with green chili, I guess, but we like it with red chili. First, I'm going to heat this chili up. And then I've got my skillet here. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in here. And this is not healthy, just so you know. I'm going to take my corn tortillas, and I'm going to just kind of fry them in here with a little bit of oil. I need my nails done. I'm just like, tomorrow I have to go in and redo my nails. So I'm going to fry these up just so they're little, just, you know, really quickly for a few seconds on each side. And I'll be layering the corn tortillas. I'll put one corn tortilla in here. Well, first I'll put a little bit of chili. Right. All right, John, I need help. How do I do it? A little bit of chili first.
Then the corn tortilla.
Corn tortilla.
Cheese.
A little bit of cheese.
Lettuce, onion.
Lettuce, and then I have chopped onion here.
Another tortilla on top of that, and then chili on top of that.
Just keep layering them.
Yeah, layer.
And I do like maybe, what, two corn tortillas? Or
yeah,
three? Two. Yeah, you only use 2 corn tortillas, but you're...
You use as many as you want.
Yeah, you could do as many as you want.
Goes.
And then you just end with, you put a corn tortilla and end with a little bit of chili and cheese on top of that. And then you could put maybe, well, some chopped onion. You can put some sour cream on top of that. It's basically, I don't know what you call it, but John's mom used to make it, and we used to really enjoy it. So it's a great way to use up some red chili for leftovers. So I'm going to do that real quick. So I've got my chili heating up here, and I've got some oil in this pan that's heating up. I've got a plate here with a paper towel, so once I kind of throw my corn tortilla in here for just a few seconds on each side, I'll place it here to just sort of absorb some of the oil before I place it in my bowl. So I poured a little bit of chili in there. I've got my corn tortilla, sprinkled some cheese, a little bit of lettuce, and chopped onion. Now I'm going to do another corn tortilla here in my oil. I've got to watch it. You don't want it too high. You don't want it to, you don't want to have oil on your stove too high. So I've got this, keeping it about medium high, and but you want it to sizzle. Well, now it's about medium. I have it turned, the heat's down to about medium, and I'm just getting this a nice little, I don't know what you call it. You can't even see it can't even see it now. Yeah, there we go. I'm back here, but you can see I'm just, cooking this a little bit on both sides. And then I just kind of stick it on this paper towel and absorb the oil. Now I've got my lettuce. I've got my chili in there on the bottom. Got a corn tortilla, and then I've got cheese, chopped onion, lettuce, and now I'm going to put a little more chili on here and do another layer. So yeah, a little bit of chili, So we got the chili. I'm going to put the corn tortilla on top. We're going to add a little bit of cheese, lettuce, and chopped onion. John, did you want 2 corn tortillas or 3?
Yeah, one more tortilla on top and then some chili on top.
All right, one more. So we're going to do one more corn tortilla on there. Just get this nice and absorbed on the paper towel. Now remember, this is the weekend. We don't watch what we eat on the weekend. Okay, so now I've got to do another layer of chili on here. Nice, nice, nice. So we're going to do our corn tortilla, a little bit of cheese. Did you want lettuce on the top, John?
Yeah, a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of onion.
A little bit of onion, a little bit of lettuce, and voila. That is dinner, and you can top that with a little bit of sour cream if you want, or whatever, but it's sort of like, oh, it's heaven. And like I said, not low calorie, this isn't health food. He wanted a little bit of chili on top of his. So let's give him this with a fork. There you go, John.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. There's dinner.
Nice.
And that's going to be the vlog today. John, yeah, John's over here. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I have to correct something. Yesterday I said something about the Cheerios that I'd been eating, and that there was some toasted oats that were the Kroger brand that was a little bit cheaper or a little bit lower in sugar. I was wrong. I misunderstood. I misspoke. I think the Cheerios actually are a little bit lighter.
Best ornament.
Oh, the best ornament. Okay.
Yeah, here we go. We'll just move it around this way.
Got it?
Yeah. Let's see if we're showing it here.
You can turn the camera around if you want. Do it that way. Which one are you trying to show?
The red wine ornament.
Oh, the red wine.
Yeah, hopefully we got that.
Red wine. No.
And then, of course, be of good cheer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And a little computer.
Yeah, that's old school there.
Mm-hmm.
Really old
We've
school.
had that a long time.
Really old school there, yeah. All right. Back to you.
Here's our old-fashioned camera.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. Mm-hmm. And that is our vlog today. And just quickly, the Cheerios have lower sugar than the toasted oats. I talked about that on yesterday's vlog, and I said, I thought the toasted oats had lower sugar than the Cheerios. I misunderstood. It was actually the Cheerios have less sugar than the toasted oats. So I'll probably just stick with the sugar. But if you've ever had those toasted oats, the Kroger brand, it's a Simply whatever, I don't know. But if you guys know what I'm talking about, let me know. Do you like Cheerios better or the toasted oats? I have a friend who really likes the toasted oats better, but they are a little higher in sugar. So that's the vlog today. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you're having a merry, cheerful, happy holiday season. And take good care. I will be back here tomorrow, so I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye-bye.